Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,341, 24-hour volume. We are down 3.23%, and market cap we're up 0.52%. All right, taking a look on our weekly chart, we are looking pretty good here. We can see the candlestick itself is coming up in the body compared to previous last week's action at 1,334, which we may, excuse me, have a bullish engulfing candlestick. And again, that is going to be bullish as the price is going to continue upwards, and we see that the volume is going to increase as well. Considering that we are only in a couple of days of this week here, we have roughly around 3 to 4 days left. The volume itself has increased at 147,000 comparing to last week at 168. So really only 20,000 of a difference, considering that we have a few more days left. Now, as we can see with the RSI here, we are at 6% and 25% as well. So we are going to anticipate on a weekly time frame that the price is going to come back down. And again, we do see some weakness here with our MACD indicator getting lighter in the bars, but most importantly, the size of the bars as well is hinting that the trend may come back down. In weekly time frames, we're going to evaluate it every single day and see what the likelihood of the price for Ethereum to come back down to the 916 here. Going into our daily chart here, we can see our candlestick ranges are really big. So the range itself is the swing high wick, and the very bottom here, we are kind of equal in the sense of, who is winning with the buyers or the sellers here, because the body itself is near the middle. Normally with these spinning top candlesticks, we need to wait for the next opportunity, which is tomorrow. What does look really good and promising again is the body itself is bigger than the previous action day body, and we are going to come back up. And you'll notice that the range itself broke through resistance line at 1352. So far today's high at the 1373 does show us a lot of momentum, a lot of volatility, and the pressure that the bulls want to push the price as high as they can. Now, what may stop us is because we are considered as overbought here at 99%. Anything above 80% of our RSI is considered to be overbought, and we may see a retracement level. So as we can see, these two lines are going upwards. So we may have just a couple of more hours here until we see tomorrow that might initiate a selling opportunity, which price may come back down. What's working in our favor on a daily chart here is our MACD indicator showing us this beautiful green bar. Of course, we do want to wait until today's end close to initiate that we have exceeded the end of this red bars, or this red bearish term here, into our green beautiful phase itself. Okay, guys, immediate short term for 2 hours. So we have been talking about consolidation hitting resistance line here at 1346 to 1358, and also our support line roughly around the 1306. So as we can see, price came down, price came up, retested around 61% of our fib. Now, if we take a look here, we can see that we've had huge selling pressure, of course, because the price retraced all the way back up to our resistance line and then some. Keep in mind, again, our high was at 1373. As the price itself came up, the RSI itself came up and considered a sell opportunity with these crossovers of our lines. And of course, price is going to retrace down. If we take a look at our RSI here at 30%, there is still room for the RSI to drop, hence the drop of the price too. If we take a look at our price action of our moving averages, we have held really good support on our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average here. You can see a few touches here. If we did break down and close below it, it was going to change the direction of Ethereum. Instead of this bull market rally, it was going to go into a bearish rally itself. But we were holding pretty strong in these intervals and these support zones. Now we can see the candlestick right now has touched the two lines here. So we are hoping again to hold this area of support. Of course, the RSI is going to drop and the price is going to drop. And we can see a few areas of support roughly around the the 1332. So this is a crucial area at the 1332 area. We can see again, as I draw this line, a few areas of candlesticks retracing down to this area of support. So this was a tested support and it actually was successful. Here a few hours ago, as the bull rally continued up to the high of 1373, held on to support. So this area is going to be high area of interest, high area of confluence here. As a safety measure, we're going to pull out our fib chart and we can see down here around this area of support, 23%. I'm going to just extend this guy over here. So now roughly around 50% of our retracement level. If we see the MACD indicator at the very bottom here expand from the green to the red, notice that the bars are getting lighter in color. Also, most importantly, they're getting smaller in size. It may initiate from the green to the red, and an area of support, we may actually break it. And if you can see now, our next retracement level is at 38%, which is at the 1321. As previously from this area of support, this is going to be our next course of action of support, and you can already see a few candlesticks retracing to this level. So that's my video update for Ethereum. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the insight of this video, like, subscribe as well, and comment down below. It's going to help me in the near future, but I'll see you next time. Bye.